Pines. We are very close to the M Resort and Hotel, which is very popular with locals. It could be a draw for some people. The neighbor's garage door is completely dented in to the point where it doesn't appear that it could be functional. I'd say a repaint. There's a bit of a weird smell in here, but the hard surfaces in a repaint, it may not be a problem. Solid surface counters. It would be nice if there was an undermount sink with a gooseneck faucet. These blinds are dirty. Hopefully they can clean up with the janitorial and not need to be replaced. The fridge doesn't match and it's very small, so new fridge. Door handles don't all match throughout the property, and this light fixture and fan does not match that light fixture. That one looks a little nicer to me, a little more modern, but that's the property manager's decision. Chrome. So we had brass in the kitchen. We have brass on this garage door. That one, not that one. So we would rekey this and the front door. Change in flooring here. So that's a different laminate. And then we have tile in here. We do have a shower rod. Brass. No ceiling fan, but it is nice to have a bedroom down. It has the correct blinds, closet guides, closet rod. So some of these things may need to be repaired. That's the strips on the stairs. It might be easier to replace all of them. I'm not sure. We need the handyman to tell us. We need a shower rod in place here. Overall, the flooring looks fine up here. I mean, it has been lived in, so there are going to be little things here and there. This is a bigger scratch. We have tile in here. The toilet area is not separate. Maybe replace that little drain piece at the bottom. That's an inexpensive fix. Flooring looks fine. I mean, it's not the best flooring job ever, if you can see where the flooring touches the baseboards, but overall it's not too bad. This room is just like the others. It has closet guides, a closet rod, a shelf, and 2.5-inch bow blinds. Same with this room. No fan, but everything else. Non-locking doorknob, but it doesn't match this locking doorknob here. This is the locking, but it just needs a pin to unlock it, and this is brass. So I'm going to go ahead and put down new door handles for all of these doors.